course, a big breaking news coming in. It is an announcement as Khel Ratna for Manu Bhaker and D. Gukesh is now official. After that massive controversy where Manu Bhaker's coach and parents had alleged bureaucracy for the very reason that her name was not included. Khel Ratna for Manu Bhaker and D. Gukesh. Cutting across to Aishwarya Kapoor, Executive Editor of Politics, with us on the phone line. Aishwarya, for further details, what transpired through this time?
Well, at this point of time, we are being told that yes, the Sports Ministry has decided that in retrospective manner, Manu Bhaker and Gukesh are going to be awarded with Khel Ratna, keeping this in mind that there were certain comments made by the family member of Manu Bhaker. In this regard, it has been categorically decided that decided to bestow Khel Ratna not only to Manu Bhaker but also Gukesh, who is no more a child prodigy but a world champion and the youngest world champion in chess. So that's the latest which is coming in, that Manu Bhaker and Gukesh have been awarded with Khel Ratna.
All right, Aishwarya, main thanks for getting us those details. We'll also try and have Rakshita join us to tell us what exactly transpired through this time. Remember, Manu Bhaker's parents, her coach, had strongly retaliated when Manu Bhaker's name was not included in the Khel Ratna list, where Manu Bhaker herself had taken to social media and said that there may have been an error at her end in the way she had filed for the details as far as formal procedure goes. But there was a huge controversy as Manu Bhaker's father, her coach, had alleged bureaucracy as the reason to why her name was not included in the Khel Ratna list. And now it is official. Manu Bhaker and D. Gukesh's names have been included. I believe Rakshita is with us. Rakshita, while this is great news that has come in for Manu Bhaker, the entire country is proud of her, and so the same with D. Gukesh, particularly important given the controversy that had transpired.
Of course, there was a chorus for Manu Bhaker to get the Khel Ratna, and it's not just Manu Bhaker, of course, it's also D. Gukesh, the teenager who has, of course, broken all records, has become a world champion, the youngest world champion. And also, it's not just Gukesh and Manu Bhaker. Remember, it's also Harmanpreet Singh, the hockey captain, and also Mr. Praveen Kumar from para athletics as well. So, because India has been shining in 2024, if we talk about the Olympics and also in Paralympics, breaking their own records as far as the medal are concerned. And Manu Bhaker, of course, she's a double medalist, and a lot of controversy, as you mentioned. But as it was pointed out by the Sports Ministry sources back then, that her name will be included, and which it got later on. And Manu Bhaker now, of course, becomes the much deserving candidate. She becomes the awardee for the Khel Ratna. Of course, the top honor for any sportsman in India, the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna. And that's the latest update we have right now. The controversy ended, the much talk about, and even there were many attempts to politicize this entire matter. But in fact, we also had Manu Bhaker herself later on posting on social media platform that there was some problem from her part. There was some technical issue in when it came to submitting the application for this award. And later on, her name was included as far as the nominees were concerned. And now we see the Khel Ratna being awarded to the four top performers: Gukesh, of course, Harmanpreet Singh, Praveen Kumar, and Manu Bhaker.
Continue to stay on with us, Rakshita. We'll also try and get more voices, but this is certainly huge, and we understand that the Khel Ratna Award now for D. Gukesh, Harmanpreet Singh, Praveen Kumar, Manu Bhaker. Manu Bhaker, like you said, particularly being most talked about given the kind of controversy that had unfolded. While that comes to an end, it also talks about how the process is entirely fair as opposed to the kind of allegations that were being pressed previous on.
Absolutely, of course, there were a lot of controversies, but the best part is that in the end we do see that the deserving candidates are getting the award. Manu Bhaker, of course, has scripted history in the Olympics in Paris, and you know, the way she performed, she was under immense pressure since the previous the Tokyo Olympics, and the way she has scripted this comeback and winning 2 medals, not just 1. So of course it was an extraordinary feat for any Indian shooter as far as Olympics are concerned. And later on, of course, we saw Gukesh also, the prodigy, who has, of course, done India proud many a times, but this time it was more special because he became the world champion at such a young age. And of course, the entire country was rooting for these players, not just Gukesh and Manu Bhaker, but also not to forget Harmanpreet Singh, been very consistent with the hockey stick there. He is the captain of the medal-winning hockey team, and he has also led the team from the front very coolly, and also, of course, led the team, kept the flock together, also known as the Sarpanji of the men's hockey team. So he also gets the Khel Ratna. So that's the update we are getting in right now, viewers. Manu Bhaker, of course, has been the toast of the town, has been toast of the entire country in 2024, given her extraordinary feat in shooting. And these are all young achievers not to forget, Suyesha, especially if we talk about Manu Bhaker and if we talk about Gukesh. And that speaks volumes of how Indian sports have come a long way. And now the Major Dhyan Chand, the Khel Ratna Award, has been awarded to these four.
Oh yes, absolutely, Rakshita. And how proud does the entire country feel? D. Gukesh in chess, Harmanpreet Singh in hockey, Praveen Kumar in para-athletics, and Manu Bhaker for shooting. All of them will now be awarded the Khel Ratna. I do understand, Rakshita, that the talk is about Manu Bhaker for the reason that the controversy had unfolded and of the kind of allegations that were made. But this certainly is a huge moment, not just for every single athlete, but how proud we are of them, of the hard work that they put in. And it has finally resulted to them winning the Khel Ratna. Rakshita? All right, not too sure if Rakshita can hear me, but let's tell all our viewers that the official announcement has been made by the Sports Ministry. And now we understand that D. Gukesh, Harmanpreet Singh, Praveen Kumar and Manu Bhaker are all being awarded the Khel Ratna. In fact, D. Gukesh for chess, Harmanpreet Singh for hockey, Praveen Kumar para-athletics, and Manu Bhaker for shooting. Of course, like we mentioned, that the huge controversy that had escalated after it was Manu Bhaker's parents and her coach who had alleged bureaucracy for the reason that her name was not included in the list, as much as Manu Bhaker herself had taken to social media at a later point, saying that there may have been a likely chance that she had not submitted the details correctly. But now we understand that the Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Awards for our athletes that include D. Gukesh for chess, Harmanpreet Singh for hockey, Praveen Kumar for para-athletics and Manu Bhaker for shooting, will now be awarded the Khel Ratna. Rakshita, I want to come back to you if you can hear me, because certainly a proud moment.
Suyesha, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Suyesha, so we also have my colleague Shane from our sports desk, and Shane, there's also important to mention about Praveen Kumar, who has been great at he has been exceptionally well. He won the 6th medal. He won the 6th gold. In fact, he won the 6th gold medal at the Paris Paralympics. Tell us more about his feat as well and the other awardees.
I mean, so before we got to know, of course, the news about Manu Bhaker and D. Gukesh, we knew that Praveen Kumar, along with, of course, Harmanpreet Singh, had been nominated for this particular award. So for Praveen, it's a recognition of a long career that, of course, capped off, as you mentioned, with that gold medal, which came in, let's say, the Paris Paralympics. He won the gold medal in his event with a world record. So it was pretty big. And to say that he deserved this nomination really would be an understatement. He's been someone who actually has been grinding hard for years, and this year, of course, Paralympians got a lot more recognition due to the simple fact that you won so many medals in this year's event. You won more than 20 medals, you won a number of goals. Your showing was very strong, and Praveen Kumar was one of those who did really well, a gold medalist and someone who's been a veteran of his sport. So to say that he deserves this really would be doing justice. It's something that is well deserved. Of course, there's also the nomination nomination of a Harmanpreet Singh. He's been the captain of the hockey team now for quite some time. Of course, the hockey team won another bronze in this time's Paris Games as well. So there's obviously a lot, as far as sporting recognition goes. But of course, there was a little bit of uproar as well when you're talking about what was happening.
Absolutely, of course, this is a big achievement for, and a lot of, Suesha, it's a great encouragement for not just our athletes, not just the Olympians, not just the Olympic medalists, but also the Paralympic athletes who have outdone their previous performances, not to forget. And, I will bring in Shane once again for this. Shane, of course, India has done exceptionally well in the Paralympics, and we've seen how there have been a lot of work that has been done as far as the infrastructure, as far as the training for our para-athletes is concerned, and this time we broke all the records. Indian India para-athletes have been doing great, and of course it would have been, really a big headache for, a problem of plenty for those deciding as to who to in fact award the Khel Ratna, and that's why we have at least 4 of them from different sports.
Absolutely. I mean, if you're looking at it, the fact that there was so much of an uproar in itself tells you, Rakshita, as you rightly pointed out, that there is a problem of plenty. Normally, you would have this issue whereby you would look at, who it is who gets nominated, particularly in sports beyond cricket. But this time around, you're seeing of all the nominations that have come, you haven't really had a cricketer come in. The 4 people who have been nominated are people from sports beyond cricket. And it does show that India is taking steps to grow as a sporting nation as a whole. And that is something that is a huge positive, because you've got athletes from a varied field. You've got a hockey player, and we know that hockey is a sport that's near and dear to many people in this nation. You've got a chess player, in fact, the second Indian chess world champion, the youngest ever in history. You've got para-athletes there as well. So it's definitely a very, very nice spread as far as, let's say, athletes getting the Khel Ratna. And it does, this kind of recognition definitely helps also the future generations, because it would actually motivate them to take up sports and take up sports beyond cricket. Getting such recognition from the government can only be seen as a positive sign for the growth of sports in India as a whole.
Absolutely. And Harmanpreet Singh, viewers, just to all of you who have just tuned in, Khel Ratna Award announced for shooter Manu Bhakar and Gukesh from chess. And this is, of course, coming in after massive controversy surrounding Manu Bhakar's name allegedly not being in that list. But now, of course, later on we saw Manu Bhakar admitting that there was a fault from her side as far as the application for that is concerned. And then we saw her name being included. Youngest world champion, of course, D. Gukesh, also being celebrated and awarded much needed encouragement for the youngsters. And the players we are learning will also be honored by the President of India on the 17th of January. On the 17th of January, we will see that these 4 athletes will be honored by the President of India. Praveen Kumar, remember, also the para-athlete who is also being now awarded. So Harmanpreet Singh, of course, the captain of the men's hockey team who led India to glory, also being honoured. And, Shane, we also have to talk about the revival of hockey here, how Harmanpreet Singh and company, earlier Manpreet Singh, they did well, on the hockey field. And we are seeing for the past 2 Olympics and other tournaments as well, India are really upping their game once again as a hockey playing nation.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, if we talk about hockey as a whole, I mean, there was a lull period you had in the mid-2000s, but that lull period seems to be coming to an end, and you're seeing that more and more now with India's performances in multi-nation tournaments, how they do in test series as well, and more importantly, the most important metric, how it is that they are doing in Olympic Games. I mean, before this, of course, you had a very long drought of Olympic medals. Now you've gotten 2 Olympic medals in the last 2 editions of the Olympic Games. You won a bronze, which was the first one you won after a while in 2020. You followed that up with another bronze medal showing in the Paris Games. So obviously, the recognition that the sport is getting is helping revive Indian hockey. And you're seeing the effects in more than just the international game. You're seeing that hockey, was being deemed popular enough that they relaunched the Hockey India League to give exposure to young hockey players, to try and bring international players and actually up the game of hockey. So you're definitely going to be seeing a lot more people potentially take up hockey in the future, because the sport is getting a little bit of a revival, and that is all thanks, of course, you have to give credit to Harmanpreet Singh and his band of merry men for that.
Right, Harmanpreet Singh gets Khel Ratna for hockey, and that's the big update we have right now. Praveen Kumar, also the sixth gold medalist from India at the Paris Paralympics. He topped the podium in the men's high jump in T64 event as well. And of course, he's from Delhi NCR. He's from Noida. He was also honoured. He had an interaction with the Prime Minister, as you can see those images coming in. And Manu Bhaker, of course, after a lot of controversies, we do understand that she has been now awarded the Khel Ratna, and the athletes will be honoured on the 17th of January. That's the latest update we're getting in right now. So, Isha, back to you.
All right, Rakshita, many thanks for getting us those details. For the moment, we also shift our focus to other breaking news coming in.